Alright, just the camera. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope better than me. I'm actually pretty pissed off at myself. So I'm getting ready to hang up my hammock for the night. Unfortunately, I only brought one hammock strap. I had this shitty Chinese cordage in the bag, what the two straps should have been. Why they're not in there, I don't know. Sorry, I'm all mad and I don't have any way to hang my hammock. Do I have paracord? Yes. Do I trust it to hold my body weight? Honestly, I probably already know the answer. No, I do not. It's also very stretchy and it'll just... So, I didn't have the camera running when I was cussing. I couldn't believe I did that. I had everything. Shelter, fire, I had some videos planned. I was gonna hang in my hammock tonight. I got the Easthills Jungle Hammock, which I did a video on, but I haven't actually slept in yet. Got a carabiner on each side, but I don't have a strap to hang it with. God damn it. Why didn't I check? Got a bug net, bug spray, I got everything. Like literally in one bag. So, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fume a little bit more off camera, so you don't have to hear my cussing. And then I'm gonna go see if there's a downed tree somewhere so I can get, maybe I can do up a bough bed right here, because it's perfectly flat. I mean, it's a great spot. I mean, hell, I could put a tent here, easy. I could put a tent right there, very nice. So I'm gonna see if I can find a down tree and find some boughs and do up a bough bed is my plan. I don't want to cut any living boughs though. It's just starting summer, so they should be dry. Hopefully with last fall, a tree was knocked over and I can get a nice big bed of boughs. I'll do 2 poles down lengthwise and just stick, and I'll make some tent stakes. I'll just stake the thing down so it doesn't roll on me and just put boughs in the middle and then do the tarp over that. So I'll see if I can salvage this, but it all depends on if I find any boughs. I need to find a dead tree, but there's a trail right over here. I may take the camera and show you. If I can find a bough, it takes a lot. You need a good amount of boughs too. But maybe I can make this work if I can find some boughs. Like I said, I mean, I've got them all overhead, but I don't want to go cutting trees down. See, it's all nice and green. But I don't want to chop all those boughs down because it's a 4th of July weekend. And I expect the sheriff to come by and see if I have fireworks and stuff. But, wow, I'm really mad at myself. Disappointed and angry. It was even going to rain tomorrow, and I was even prepared for that. I actually brought my one nice tarp, my big one, and I think I had enough room to string it up, which still might happen if I can find boughs. So let's go look for boughs, and I'll start cussing at myself again. Damn it. And we'll see what we can, see if I can salvage this trip. Alright, so just hand holding it, so let's go. If I can find some boughs, like I said, the condition is I don't want to cut down living stuff. I also don't want to walk on somebody else's campsite either. That would really suck. Now, there's one little tree bent over here. That's not going to cut it. See, I got all this wonderful green here, but like I said, I don't want to just chop down living stuff. You know? I like to enjoy nature, not be a jerk to it. It's my own damn fault though too. I should have checked my gear, and I just pulled out of the drawer and threw it on the bed. So I got all that awesome firewood. Firewood for days. I mean, limbs alone would get me a fire going easy. And this stuff here, this stuff is gold. Love this stuff. Put a lighter to it, goes right up, and it's up in the air, and it's been dry today. It's actually about, I think it's 80 today. Alright. Looking. I don't know where this trail goes, but see what happens. I'm not going to run this the whole time. I'm just going to give you guys a basic idea of what I'm doing. Oh, I got another campsite over here. Well, let's go check out the campsite. Well, I do see a downed tree, but it's nowhere big enough. I mean, I'll definitely add it to the top if need be. Forgot to put my bug spray on. That's not a bad little spot at all. Yeah, it's not going to be enough, but it's definitely on my mind. It takes a lot of boughs to do a bed. Yeah, I could have parked right there. Yeah. A little close to the road, but it's not that big a deal. Alright, let's kill it here, and I'll bring it back as something. I was actually just looking for a hammock spot. Probably could have gone to this tree here, and then this tree here. I mean, like, good hammock tree. Oh. And just because it caught my attention, I got some tinder already hanging. That's nice and dry. I may come back for that. Start my fire with it. Well, if I do find enough boughs, I think I just found my poles for the sides. Because those ends down there will be plenty thick enough. And they're all standing dead. So, and they'll make great firewood. Lugging them back to camp will be a pain, but whatever. Just gotta do what you gotta do. So, man, this place is just ripe with firewood. I'm actually kind of surprised that more people don't utilize the branches, or more people don't come out here. So, all right, back to the. Well, I guess that's kind of fortunate. There's a bunch of boughs right here on the road, but I won't need any of them. Boom, because I got a hammock strap. The next camp, a couple camps down, I was walking by, and I said, oh, I don't want to walk through someone's camp, so I started going around back to the road, and I spotted a couple of hammocks, and I said, I wonder. So I approached, and I said, hey, you wouldn't happen to have an extra tree strap, would you? And he said, you know what? I actually do. This is that one campsite I was commenting on. I'm almost liking this one better than the other one, to be honest with you. I have half a mind to move over here instead of over there. You got some downed trees. Is this the same spot? I think it's the first one I went to. But no, I think it is that first one. Are there any good hammock trees? That's the big question. I got this big mumbo jumbo right here. Maybe I don't like it as much as the other one. I'll just go back to mine. So I gotta beat feet and get over there. So you get set up for the night and then start getting firewood. Because I'd be camping here tonight. Woohoo! Thank you for the kindness of nice people. See, not everyone sucks. Just people who leave litter. I still gotta take you around and show you the area too. Gotta get that done. So I gotta get busy. Fortunately, I stopped for a bite, so I'm not hungry. So I don't need a fire right away, and I don't have to worry about dinner. So sweet, and we're already at camp. I might sit down and take a break too. I've been running around.